Did you know, in Gatemaster Mobile, we'll keep track of the last 25 reports you ran. Let's check out how this can help any operation. Within the Gatemaster Report Viewer, there's over 30 different kinds of reports you can generate. Along with this, there's tons of different parameters you can set. Now, if you find a certain report you and your team are using very frequently, you can find it in your recently run reports, hit the edit button, and rename it to something catchy so you and your team can remember what it is, and pin it to the top of your recently run reports. And now, for example here with my 2026 Season Pass Holders report, you can quickly access this report and all its specific parameters whenever you want. Make sure your team is being as efficient as possible with their reporting with Gatemaster Mobile, and make sure you keep your eye out for new updates coming soon, expanding the reporting options even more.